Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a brand new 2024 Sea Ray SLX 280. Starting up here at the bow, we do have our stainless steel anchor and it's also a windlass. Stainless steel components all over the boat, and then also our docking lights up in the bow. The iconic Sea Ray blue hull side color and then the white hull bottom. And we did just uncover this boat, so we do have the tower folded down, but when it's going to be rigged and ready, you push a button and it actually goes up and down, which is going to be easy when you're putting it underneath a lift or getting under a bridge. Back here at the swim platform, we do have our sea decking and then our submersible swim step. When the drive's down, you can put this down in the water when you're anchored out and hanging out with the friends and family. We do have the underwater lining and then the dynamic running surface. So trim tabs on either side. It's going to be easy to get this boat back on plane. This is powered by a Mercruiser 350 horsepower Bravo 3 engine, so tons of power when you're out there on the water. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the stern of the boat, you can see we have a lot of room back here and a nice entryway inside. This does have a built-in cooler back here. And then also look over here port side, we do have a lot of space underneath for all your belongings. This does have the ivory or white upholstery. It looks really great with this sea deck as you make your way inside the boat here. Have our classic L-shaped seating back here. And then underneath all these benches, we have a lot of storage, another cooler on this spot, an area if you want to put larger bags, or a cooler right here. It's a great spot to put those. Spot for our table, and again, we do have the tower down because we did just uncover this boat. But over here on the starboard side, we have yet again more storage and cooler spot over here, 2 cup holders, and even a spot to charge your phone. More storage below the captain's seat. And then also over here we do have our ski locker, so great place to put the cover for the boat and the poles and larger belongings down there. And then here at the helm, we do have our flip-up bolster seats, both captain and co-captain. It's a great spot right here to put your feet up and have another passenger right next to you, and also over there. We do have our 2 12-inch Simrad display screens, so it's going to be all of your chart plotting, engine diagnostics, navigation. Everything is going to be very accessible up here at the helm. Tilt steering wheel, and this does have your upgraded Fusion audio on here, as well as the lighting package throughout the boat. So SLX premium line for Sea Ray. You're going to have everything that you need right here at the helm and around the boat. Over here on the port side, we do have our head down there, so it's a nice area, even if you need to change out of your clothes. Recessed glove box. You can look around the boat ergonomically. You're going to have great visibility throughout. And then up in the bow, we do have our windshield that's closed, but this also has a bow filler cushion. Again, guys, this is a 2024 Sea Ray SLX 280. It's here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and take a look or give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.